Wait! Cake surviving, are you excited? Are you excited?
Light. I always have been. Except now I'm armed.
Maya? What's this? What happened here?
Who chewed this? Who did this? Braxton, look at this. Did you chew this?
When your dogs know they're in time.
冷酷无情，我天真无邪，冷酷天真。
You're okay. Yes, you are. You're okay. Luna, say hi, Luna.
We came home to tonight. That's Flower. Lulu.
Open the door. Open the door. Come on, boy. Come in. Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh. What does the cow say? Say moo.
That's.
Keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Doreen singing.
A essa nem nós faz não. Música. Little Mia, would you like a treat? No? Oh wow! It's Toffee ice cream!
Animal shelter from the animal hospital. This boy is having it's got my.
Complimenti.
No. No!
I wonder who it was. Who got in those recyclables?
Did you eat this marker? Then how come there's...
me.
Bailey, you're gonna fall! You stupid dog! Oops.
Here are some melted crayons.
That's mine, though.
Patty in the house. Did you? You did?
Я опаздываю. Блять, кота забыла поцеловать.
Clyde, stop being such a bully.
David. He's dead.
Belly rubs, belly rubs. Oh, you love belly rubs, don't you? Oh. How you roll, buddy?
Slowly.
Come on, Blue.
No. No.
You can have him when he's clean. He's dirty right now. He's okay. It's not hurting him. He's taking.
When you're at school, she goes up there and slides down.
Here are some melted crayons.
Nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom nom.
Birthday too. Happy birthday, dear.
Oh my god, this is just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, you go.
Poe! Oh my God! Poe!
Open the door. Open the door. Come on, boy. Come in.
A tampa do vaso. Quem que fez isso? Birthday on Friday, so we're celebrating early. Okay. Very first. I have one of these. Help me.
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a creeper. Somebody come get her.
First time she's eating a watermelon. Yummy.
Да все, уже ничего не сделаешь.
What's this? Who did that? Who did that?
We came home to tonight. That's Flower. Lulu.
Stop it. Okay, sit. Leave it.
Я опаздываю. Блять, кота забыла поцеловать.
Stop it. Okay, sit. Leave it.
Hello. Do the good one.
He's like walking her.
Man, do the stairs. Good boy. Oh, you're so brave today.
Seriously?
Oh my god. I told you not to use the razor, what have you...
So Mommy had to run out in the middle of the night to the all-night farm.
No. Look at me. You naughty boy. Yes, you are.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Baby girl. I knew you were gonna fall.
Heavy, Mama can carry you. A little heavy.
Zapig yun.
You do this? Did you do this?
Okay.
What did you do?
I haven't even said anything.
Go for a ride.
Oh no! Sweater, buddy. Gonna see if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want some, buddy?
Jameson, let Mama work.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do. You're too slow.
Come here. Did you let the chicken in? Right.
Ha, sen de mi istiyorsun? İşte böyle Burcu Hanım bu kadar çığırtkanlık yapıyorlar böyle. Al.
There he goes.
Don't make him come.
Come here.
Oh my goodness.
Come here.
What you doing?
Mommy? I can't hear you. You do?
dancing.
Well, that's a lot.
How's the sweater, buddy?
Clyde, stop being such a bully.
Is your bed by your food dish?
I'm gonna be home soon, okay?
Heavy, Mama can carry you. A little heavy.
Oh my goodness.
Is that what you did? Is that what you did?
Who chewed this? Who did this? Braxton, look at this. Did you chew this? Me? Really? Am I gonna like what I find? Pretty much.
Murray, hey. Hey, I need to talk.
Get in the garbage? You got in the garbage, didn't you?
She can stick her tongue.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you look great, man.
Roger.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
I know, you guys just need me to pick you up.
Did you do that? Did you? Come on, swim. Swim. Did you do that? Huh? Was that you?
Plastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Two, three.
You can get it. Doggy paddle. Try it with your tongue. Oh!
got a friend in me.
Wait a minute. Wait. Are you supposed to...
Gonna see if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want somebody?
What happened to the blueberry tree that was in there? Where'd it go? And why's your...
Murray, hey. Hey, I need to talk.
When you're at school, she goes up there and slides down.
Where is it, Bailey? Where is it?
It's okay.
Okay. I'm sorry, you look cute. I know you don't like... The mail always has holes in it.
What? Do you want the water on?
Don't get like that. Don't you get like that. Don't you pet that.
Really? You want pets now or later? What is that?
You can have him when he's clean. He's dirty right now. He's okay. It's not hurting him. He's taking...
Oh my goodness.
Is that what you did? Is that what you did?
Another year. Oh, Jazzy, well, I guess that was a perfect time.
This? You chew the chopping board, Chloe. Did you do it?
There he goes.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Shirts? What? I can't get them? No? I need my shirts.
Did you do that?
Huh? Was that you?
Watermelon. Do you like it, baby? Are you gonna take any bites of it? Can you take a bite of it?
Disfruta del cabello.
I haven't even said anything.
Going for a ride.
Oh no!
You turned me down, Michael. Why would I let you?
You can get it. Doggy paddle. Try it with your tongue. Oh!
Yeah, you didn't like that backpack Mommy brought?
Wednesday starting at 9 a.m. Eastern.
Want the popcorn?
Hi, baby. I love you. I love you so much.
Wait a minute. Wait. Are you supposed to...
You're in
Howdy, Coke! Howdy, Coke! Get him, Coke! What did you do, Tank?
Coco.
Hello? What are you doing?
I'm petting him. He's gonna.
You love your mama. Yeah, you do.
First, my dad didn't want me, but now I'm his child, and he loves me more than you.
Are you serious?
A tampa do vaso. Quem que fez isso? Hein?
I'm petting him. He's gonna.
2, 3.
He's literally kissing.
that? Who did that?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Can't quite reach. Oh my god. What did you do, Tank?
I don't think he's just like, give me the whole scoop. Hello?